In 2026, a 3D printer is no longer a complex machine for tech experts. It has become a household appliance, the most versatile one you will ever own. Today, I'm going to show you why having a 3D printer is like having a superpower. We're going to talk about how it changes the way you shop, the way you give gifts, and even the way you think about your own creativity. If you have been on the fence about getting into 3D printing, this video is for you. The first reason is simple: autonomy. We live in a world of disposable products. When a knob on your stove breaks or a clip on your vacuum cleaner snaps, the manufacturer usually wants you to buy a whole new unit. With a 3D printer, you stop being a passive consumer. You become a maintainer. You will be surprised how many unfixable problems can be solved with a 15-minute print. It is about more than just saving money, though you will save a lot. It's about that feeling of independence, knowing that you have the tools to keep your world running without waiting weeks for a spare part to arrive in the mail. Reason number 2, customization. Everything you buy in a store was designed for millions of people, but your home and your needs are unique. Maybe you need a specific hook for your headphones that fit your exact desk thickness, or maybe you want an organization system like Gridfinity that finally makes your junk drawer look like a work of art. 3D printing allows you to tailor your environment to your life. From ergonomic grips that make your hobbies much more comfortable to home decor that reflects your exact style and aesthetic. If it doesn't exist in a store, you just make it exist. Now, a lot of people think,
I'm not an artist. I don't know how to 3D design.
In 2026, you do not need to. The ecosystem is so advanced that you do not have to spend a single second in design software if you don't want to. Platforms like STLFLIX are like a Netflix for 3D printing. You have access to thousands of professional pre-tested designs. From functional kitchen gadgets and office organizers to stunning articulated dragons and home decor. You just pick what you like, hit print, and watch the magic happens. And this is my favorite part, the ultimate gift hack. Think about the last few gifts you bought. They were probably generic, right? With a 3D printer, you will never have to buy a boring present again. Now you can give something that is truly meaningful, a bookmark with someone's name, a favorite photo, or an object that represents a niche hobby you both share. The emotional value of a gift you printed and finished yourself is massive. It shows that you put thought and effort. In 2026, thoughtful doesn't mean expensive, it means personalized. Reason number 5, it's a micro factory. For many people, a 3D printer isn't expensive, it's an investment. The barrier to start a side hustle is lower than ever. You can find a niche like custom planters, gaming accessories, or even specific replacement parts, and start selling them locally or online. With a commercial license and a couple of spools of filament, your printer can easily pay for itself in a few weeks. It's the ultimate way to turn your creativity into an extra stream of income while you sleep. Finally, there is the creative spark. There is something genuinely magical about seeing an idea turn into a physical object in a matter of hours. It's a gateway to learning new things. Even if you don't start as a designer, you will find yourself getting curious about how things are made. It's a hobby that grows on you. Whether you're making toys for your kids, tools for your kitchen, or prototypes for a big idea, the 3D printer keeps you engaged and constantly innovating. The future isn't being shipped to you in a box anymore. It's being downloaded and printed right where you are. Whether you want to fix your home, give the best gifts in your friend group, or start a new business, 2026 is the year to jump in. If you want to see more of what these incredible machines can do, don't forget to subscribe. Let's build the future together. I'm Thales, and I'll see you in the next print.